In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Gmail account in Facebook, step by step. This process is done from your Facebook settings, and it lets you add a Gmail address as contact information on your account. Before you start, make sure you are logged into Facebook on the device you are using and that you can access your Gmail inbox because Facebook will send a confirmation code that you will need to enter. First, look to the top right corner of Facebook and click your profile picture. A menu will open. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then choose Settings. This takes you to the main settings area, where account options are organized. Next, find the Meta Account Center box. You will usually see it toward the top left of the settings page. Click it to open the Account Center, then select Personal Details. This is where Facebook manages key information like your name, birthday, and ways to contact you. Inside Personal Details, click Contact Info. This section controls the emails and phone numbers connected to your Facebook account. Now choose Add New Contact and then select Add Email. At this point, you will be able to enter the Gmail address you want to connect. Carefully type your Gmail address. Double-check for any typos because the confirmation code will be sent to the exact address you enter. After that, you will see an option to select which Facebook account you want to apply this email to. Choose your Facebook account, then click Next to continue. Facebook will now send a confirmation code to that Gmail inbox. Go to your email, find the message from Facebook, and copy the code. Come back to Facebook, enter the confirmation code in the field provided, and click Next. Once the email is confirmed, you can close the confirmation window by clicking Close, and then close again if another Close button appears. After you finish, your Gmail address should appear under your contact information. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.